Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy a used car. Right, first things first, kind of goes without saying, but I have printed off the script, so it's sat on my lap. If you see me looking down throughout any part of the video, that's going to be why, because I'm just reading off the script. I will throw in clips of what we're talking about, so this video isn't just going to be me talking. There will be some useful information on the screen that you can, look at. So I think with that out of the way, let's just get right into step one. Step one is figuring out what vehicle you need. This is the easy bit. Sit down and think about what's important to you in a vehicle and keep a mental note of it. Even better, just write a list down. Going forward, you can use this as a checklist to decide whether a car will work for you or not. Right, with your list made, we're ready for step two, AutoTrader. This is a website where anyone can list any vehicle for sale. It has some brilliant filters that allow you to quickly create a short list of cars specific to your needs. To use the site, go to autotrader.co.uk or download the app. Enter your postcode and select a distance you'd be willing to travel. If you really have no idea what car you want, select nationwide from the drop-down. This will let you see some super unique cars that will keep the initial search interesting. Now, enter the information from the list you made earlier into the relevant search filters and hit search. The next step is optional, but it's well worth the extra effort in my mind. Assuming you have a couple of cars that have piqued your interest, it's a great idea to research those vehicles' common problems. You can do this on car forums or anywhere on the World Wide Web, searching for car make and model buying guide. This is a great place to start. Wikipedia can also give you information about different models, including years the vehicles were redesigned or given a facelift. Use the information to decide whether a car sounds like the best bet on paper. Remember, it's better to buy something you really enjoy and will want to maintain as opposed to something you'll later grow to hate. Right, now, on to step four. This is the exciting bit. Finding a car you want to buy. Jump onto any website where you can buy cars. AutoTrader, Facebook Marketplace, eBay and Gumtree are good options. Facebook Marketplace offers free listings, so there's often a bunch of vehicles for sale. Ignore low quality ads, as if people can't be bothered to put the effort into selling the vehicle, imagine how much effort they put into maintaining it. When you find a car you like, take note of the registration/number plate from the photos. If you can't see the registration, ask for it. If the seller is reluctant, I'd look elsewhere, as it's probably not worth the risk. Also, ignore any ads where the owner doesn't have the V5C, as it only costs 25 quid to apply for, can be done completely online, whilst only taking a couple weeks for them to post it to you. With the registration number in hand, head over to www.gov.uk/check-mot-history. Enter the registration number, make sure the details match up with the vehicle you've seen, and click yes. You'll then see a list of the car's previous MOTs all the way back to 2005 to 2006. Depends on when they started, posting the MOTs online. But yeah, it'll be around then. A brand new car doesn't need an MOT for the first 3 years of its life, so a car registered in 2010 will have MOT history from 2013 onwards. This is completely normal. Check for any big issues in the most recent MOT and either use them as a bargaining tool or to avoid the car altogether. In the event of multiple corrosion advisories, be careful, as a skilled welder will rightfully charge you a lot of money for a lasting repair. Also, use the system to check for any odd jumps in mileage, especially any that go backwards, as this likely means the vehicle has been clocked. Alright, this is the last step, so here we go. On to the most exciting/nerve-wracking part of buying a car, going to view it. If you're buying the car from a private party, try and make sure you can meet them at their house so you can check the address on the VC5 matches the address the car is being stored at. If you have a good feeling and withdraw cash before going to view the car, it's best to hide it somewhere in your car instead of in your wallet, especially if you're visiting somewhere you're unsure of. You can physically check all the things you've found on the MOT history and ask any questions about how they've maintained the vehicle. You should generally have a good look around the vehicle to make sure it's actually worth your hard-earned money. Remember to haggle the price down with any issues you may find. Don't feel embarrassed or cheeky for haggling, it's all part of the process. On a final note, if any part of the viewing makes you feel uncomfortable or as if the seller is hiding something, walk away. You're not obligated to buy. If they've lied or missed something off the advert, then it's on them, not you. The final thing to remember is that you need to take your time and just pay attention. Don't let the seller talk you out of issues, and always try and get receipts or proof of any work done. If you've reached the end of the viewing and test drive and want the car, it's time to exchange money, sign the V5C and drive off in your brand new to you car. Right, and there you go, that's it really. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's going to be a short one because I really want this to be a video that people can share with their mates and stuff, and just, you know, this only really covers the basics of buying a used car. I can go into a hell of a lot more detail about every section, but I just wanted to keep this initial video short. So yeah, if you want me to go into more detail on any of the things I've talked about in this video, chuck them in the comments and I'll be sure to get around to it. And yeah, with all that said, be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you feel like it. The channel's been doing really well at the moment, actually. The 2 mini videos that we uploaded a while ago have been doing, you know, really decently, and I appreciate all the comments and likes and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please check out some of my other videos. And yeah, that's it really. Just have a good one, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! I'm not going to put that in. Yeah, that's probably fine. Bit of blabbering, but...